Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to reset keyboard settings in Windows 11. Here I am going to use Windows 10, but the process is similar for Windows 11 too. So if you want to reset your keyboard, first of all what you have to do is open settings. Click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the settings option. Now you can see over here the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Out of these options, what you have to do is find the option for time and language and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here: date and time, reason, language, speech. Simply click on the option language. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the language settings. You'll be able to see the preferred languages over here. So there's no direct option for resetting the keyboard settings, but in order to do that, what you have to do is simply add a language. So click on this option for add a language. Now once you do that, you'll be able to add the language over here. You can simply type a language name, or you'll also be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to install this language. Click on this option, install. Now wait for a while and that particular language will be installed. Now after you wait for a while, you can see over here that another language will be installed over here. Once it is installed, what you have to do is click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the icon for moving this language up. So simply click on it. Now you can see over here, this language will be moved up. Simply keep moving it up until it reaches at top. Now once this language is at top, what you have to do is restart your device. When you restart your device, your keyboard will also be restarted. So simply click on the start icon that you can see right over here. Click on the power icon. After doing that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Once your device is restarted, your keyboard settings will be reset. Once the keyboard setting has been reset, you can simply move this language down again. So like this, you'll be able to reset the keyboard settings. So that is how you reset keyboard settings in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.